All right, everyone. We're here today to talk about something that goes way beyond just customer support. We're talking about a fundamental shift in customer enablement. I want to walk you through our new intelligent in-app agent, a tool that's really designed to be a proactive, essential partner in our customer success, right from inside the platform.
So here's how we're going to break it down today. We'll start by looking at the friction in the old support model. We all know it well. Then we'll dive into how smarter, context-aware conversations can lead to truly frictionless resolutions. From there, we'll see how the agent becomes this proactive partner, and then, most importantly, we're going to tie it all back to the direct business impact this has on your customer success metrics.
Okay, so first things first. Let's just be honest about the traditional support process. It has been a high-friction journey, and frankly, it's been a source of frustration for the very customers we're all trying to make successful.
And this slide, this really says it all. You know the old way. It's a total workflow killer. You have to leave the app, log into a completely different portal, and then re-explain your entire situation from scratch. The after, well, that's our new reality. You stay in the app, you click the little question mark, and you get immediate, contextual help right then and there. We're just wiping out all that wasted time and frustration.
So you might be asking, how do we make these conversations so powerful and so effective? Well, it really all starts with harnessing the power of deep, multi-layered context.
Let's just take a really common scenario. You've got an admin, they're deep in setup, maybe adding a field, and bam, they hit an org-level limit error. In the past, this was a complete showstopper, right? It killed their entire workflow. Now, this is actually the beginning of a smart conversation. And this right here, this is the secret sauce. The magic isn't just the chat window itself, it's the context. The more the agent understands about the user, their org, and their specific problem at that exact moment, the smarter and more helpful it becomes. This is, without a doubt, the foundational differentiator of our entire approach.
We get to this hyper-personalization through three key pillars. First up, page-level intelligence. The agent knows exactly where the user is, which completely eliminates that whole "what screen are you on?" back and forth. Second is error interpretation. The agent instantly sees and understands technical problems. The user doesn't have to copy-paste a single line of code. And third, and this is a real game changer, is our Know Your Customer framework. This gives the agent deep insight into the customer's specific licenses, their features, and even their success plan. It's how we go from generic help to truly tailored guidance.
Now, I know this diagram looks complex, and yeah, it is. It's the engine under the hood. But what I really want you to focus on here is the core idea, this Know Your Customer component. This is not some generic chatbot pulling from a public website. No way. This is an intelligent agent that's tapping into a rich data graph of our customer's entire relationship with us. We're talking their success plan, their specific licenses, the features they've actually enabled. This is what lets us deliver truly bespoke and effective support at an incredible scale.
Okay, so now let's see how all this deep context awareness actually translates into a resolution process that feels almost completely frictionless for our customers. So the days of filling out those long, repetitive forms, they're over, because the agent already has all the context. Creating a case is now boiled down to 3 simple steps that all happen right inside the product. The agent gets the issue. It pre-fills everything: org ID, account info, a detailed description, and the user just has to look it over and click confirm. We are literally turning a 10-minute chore into a 10-second click.
This quote just perfectly captures what the user feels. All the heavy lifting is done for them. The agent has already put in their account, their org ID, and a detailed summary of the problem. All they do is review and confirm. You know, this isn't just about efficiency. It's that moment of relief that has a real positive impact on customer satisfaction. But of course, not every single issue can be solved by self-service. And for those moments, the experience stays just as seamless. With one click, the user gets transferred to a live support engineer right in the same chat window. And this is crucial. That handoff includes the entire history and context of the conversation. So our engineers are up to speed instantly, without ever having to ask the customer to repeat a single thing. But this agent is designed to be so much more than just a reactive problem solver. It's really a persistent and proactive partner that stays with the customer throughout their journey.
We call this the relay, and it's all about eliminating that friction of switching between channels. So if a user starts a chat in the app and then clicks a link to our help portal, that session just persists. As you can see, they land on the portal already logged in with the chat window right there, ready to continue the conversation. That painful second login step is just gone.
We can also get ahead of the curve and be proactive by triggering smart nudges based on what the user is doing. So picture this. An admin lands on a complex page, maybe the data cloud setup, and they hesitate for a few seconds. Instead of letting them get stuck or navigate away, the agent can pop up and ask, "Hey, need a hand getting started?" This turns a moment of potential confusion into a direct opportunity to drive product adoption. It's huge.
So let's bring it all home. Let's tie all of this cool technology back to what it means for us and for the metrics that we all care about most in customer success.
So what's the real strategic value here for all of you?
By enabling these features, we are not just answering questions, we are directly impacting your core goals. First, we are driving case deflection. We're empowering users to solve complex technical issues like Apex errors all by themselves. Second, we are fundamentally improving CSAT by ripping out the biggest points of friction, things like authentication and context switching. And critically, by proactively guiding users through complex features at their exact moment of need, we are accelerating product adoption and helping customers see the full value of their investment way faster.
So, the key takeaway I want to leave you with is this. We are moving far beyond the old model of reactive support. What you're seeing here is the future of customer enablement. It's proactive, it's intelligent, and it's woven seamlessly into the very fabric of our products. This is how we scale success. Thank you.